So guys, make sure to stand till the end, because if you make one common mistake you may end up spending thousands of dollars on parts diagnostics that you may need. Make sure to stand till the end, we will explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Dodge Challenger this generation here from year 2014 to year 2024. If you need to find where the front power windows, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them. Also, if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, that way do not waste money and time, we'll share the information in the video for your convenience. So let's start on it now. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix transmissions, engines, bodywork, electrical components, fuses, relays. Why we do all that guys? Because our mission at the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. We have guys more than 15,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can practically guys save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. And if you need to buy parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, we'll put the links in the description of the video below for your convenience. So the front power windows guys, which fuses and relays we need to check, we'll demonstrate on this Dodge Challenger right here. Now we'll be working guys in a fuse box that's actually in the trunk. So go ahead and open the trunk, lift the carpet liner up, and underneath you will find your spare tire. Next to it on the right side, that's the passenger side, is the car battery. Behind it here, that's a fuse box. That's a closer look of it. That's the negative cable for the negative terminal for the battery, and behind it you can see is the fuse box. Squish these tabs together and pull the cover up. You're going to find underneath the fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse, sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you will lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. Here guys, for the front power windows, which fuses and relays we need to check. Okay, let's talk about that now. You see that row of fuses guys here? Okay, that row of fuses starting on left side, that's 2, fuse number 2, that's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number 10 is the first fuse that you need to check. Then you need to check fuse number 11, these two fuses. What about the relays? You don't have the relay guys. Relays, practically the relay function is controlled by the BCM, the body control module on your Dodge Challenger. So guys, this Dodge Challenger has all kinds of different fuses and relays. Those could be really hard to find if you're in the middle of nowhere. We'll guys put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some spare ones put in the glove box, because one time we needed a spare, we couldn't find one and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.